In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon next to text in Card. First, head over to the Card website and open your dashboard. From there, select the project you want to edit. Once your project is open in the Builder, we'll start by creating the structure that lets an icon sit neatly beside text. Click Add, then choose Container. In the Container settings, open the Type dropdown and switch it to Columns. This tells Card to place items side by side instead of stacking them. To make it easier to see where you're working, turn on Highlight for the container so the edges and columns are clearly visible while you build. Now let's place the icon. Click Add again and choose Icons. In the icon settings, open the Type dropdown and pick the icon you want, for example Facebook. Paste or type the URL you want that icon to link to so it actually goes somewhere when clicked. When you're happy with the selection, click Done to save those icon settings. Next, we'll add the text that sits beside your icon. Click Add again and choose Text. Type your text exactly as you want it to appear. This might be a label, a call to action, or a short description. With the text block created, drag it into the same container and position it in the column next to your icon. You should now see the icon in one column and the text in the other, aligned side by side. To make everything look polished, open the Appearance tab. This is where you can adjust the icon size and color to match your brand, tweak the text styling, and fine-tune alignment so both elements sit on the same visual baseline. If the spacing feels tight or too loose, adjust the sizes and alignment here until it feels balanced. Keep in mind that Card is responsive, so on smaller screens those columns may stack. Choose sizes and alignment that still look good when stacked. When everything looks the way you want, click Done. You've now added an icon next to text in Card using a simple columns container, an icons element, and a text element. This setup is clean, flexible, and easy to reuse anywhere on your page. If you repeat this pattern for other links or features, you'll get a consistent, professional layout in just a few clicks.